So papasok na tayo. Check natin kung ano yung lang. Excuse me. Wow. Alright. So let's check out the major exhibits, major booths. Check natin yung mga pwedeng mabili dito. So this is District 1 cosplay. Let's see. How about here? Yung bus exhibit. Merry Christmas! Tumatanggap ko ba ng Maya payment ngayon?
Meron din.
O, sa'yo ako bibili mamaya.
Credit card, Maya, lahat.
Okay, sige. Balik ako mamaya, ha? Okay. Okay, so Boss Habay here. So, dito, dito tayo mamaya. Hey, they're back. Si Balls is like, YouTuber. Diyan kasi may YouTuber. I think she's there inside. Sa likod. Pero ang unahin natin hanapin is may Maya. Maya. Sige.
No punish yet, bro. They take the close right there. Back in the back, naked si Brian. Wait, wait,
ng slide, wala daw siyang pasalubong. Ito yung Sanrio na ano.
Kaya ang pag yan.
Oh, okay. Try natin to ha. Pakto to ha. Take two. Nalalag na. It's up. Wow, it's up back. Teka lang. Siset up natin to. Ito yung laman. So, kuha kayo dito. Magkano token dito? 50 pesos ang token. Kasi ito yung ano. Ito sulit na to ha. Kasi tatlong cards na to. So, parang okay na yung ano nyo. Bang for buck. Buksan natin. Okay, so kain muna tayo for a bit. Kain tayo. This is German sausage and para naging trip ko na siya lately. Dati hindi ako kumakain dati sa conventions pero as of late parang trip ko na rin siya kumain. So masaya rin. Medyo mahal. Yun lang. Pero okay. Ito is 180. Ano? Wala nga lang soft drinks, walang tubig. May ketchup na maliit. Ayan, ketchup. So what happened, nakapag-ikot na rin naman ako. Mamaya-maya video tayo ng mga cosplayers. Kung yung mga medyo sikat na cosplay friends natin, kung may time sila, chika-chika lang tayo sa kanila. Pero may ano natin ngayon, by the way, special thanks kay Maya. Yung mga pagkain dito, they accept Maya payments, QR code. So majority rin naman ng mga events or majority ng mga stalls and booths nag-accept ng Maya. So this is very interesting. It's a very change to the way they do business. So cosplay convention pero ngayon nakakabili ka na using your Maya code, so cashless ka na, which is very interesting, very fun. Anyway, kain mo tayo. Mahaba pila! Ano balita? Anong masasabi mo sa Pasko?
Okay, nakakapagod sa tao, may day to pa.
May day trip pa.
Magagamit nyo rin yung Maya card or yung Maya account ninyo to, get book some time for photos dito sa District 1. Sila yung parang pinaka nasa harap. District 1 Cosplay Studio. So, may mga backdrop sila na pwede nyo gamitin and you can pay using your Maya account.
Okay, so nakaikot na tayo sa Artist Alley. Naka-check na rin tayo ng mga cosplays sa mga naikot dito and nakaikot na rin tayo dun sa mga booth. So now, time to shop. Shopping tayo using the Maya. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga pwede natin bilhin using the Maya, your Maya app. Just download the Maya app. By the way, it's free and the sign up is very easy. And you can also pay your online bills and do a lot of things with your Maya. So, check natin ngayon ang pwede natin bilhin ngayon.
Okay, so yung first na check out natin is itong store na to with a lot of anime shirts. Ang dami ko nakita, may Dan, merong Pokemon, may Dragon Ball. Nataypan ko tong ito na yun, yung naka si Okarun. Tapos meron din sa likod, ayan, nakikita nyo yung mga ZZZ na meron silang promo na 3 for 1,000. So kumuha ko ng mga shirts nila. Ayan, buy 3 for 1,000. Siyempre tinanong ko muna kung may Maya sila, and sabi nila meron. So let's do this. So I just had to scan, check out. Ayan, as you can see. So scan the QR code, super dali lang. And then syempre ayun, upload na natin kung magkano yung kita. Teka lang. Ngayon, kung hindi pa kayo aware, hindi kayo marunong, you just have to pop in the QR code, pop in the number and the amount that you're gonna pay. Wait for the VPN or wait for the confirmation, the OTP. Load nyo lang yan. And then, ayan, successfully paid na yung, ito sa kaso ko, binayaran ko lang yung shirts for 3 for 1,000. So, when you're done, just click on done. And, yun, you can bring home your product, your item. Next up, I wanted to support my boy Eman, so I wanted to get his shirt. This is Kamen Rider shirt. Back design to ha, so yung front is just the logo of the Kamen Rider series. Meron din siya isang shirt for Gundam, pero what he's really selling is more on mga stickers and artworks. So let me just show you some of his stuff na was available from today until tomorrow or until day 3. So may mga Kamen Rider stickers, meron mga Valorant, may Pokemon, may Gundam, may One Piece, yung mga characters ng One Piece. Ayan. Pero syempre, ang binabayaran ko and what I was really looking for is yung shirt. So babayaran natin siya. Kung meron kayong makikitang QRPH na it means na pwede ka magbayad using your Maya app. So just put it there, scan mo. Again, Maya app is free to download. You can open your account. Bayaran natin 500 yung shirt. So bayaran lang natin, pay now. Sobrang dali, 'di ba? Sobrang convenient. And after a few seconds, payment successful and we're good to go na. Ayan na. So, kunin na natin yung product kay Eman. And ayan, kung pupunta pa kayo sa D3 or Day 3, just look for this, Fiber Fairy. Ayun, thank you Eman and more power. So, let's walk around more. So lastly, nag-check din ako ng Habite. Bumalik ako sa Habite and may natipuan ako kanina when I got in. So ito yun, yung Grandista na One Piece na Zoro. Ayun, inaabot na ni ate, as you can see. So ayan, sa re-reissue daw siya apparently. So naglabas na sila before, tapos naubos, pero malakas yung demand. So naglabas ulit sila ng panibagong batch, I guess. So ayun, hinahanap natin yung Maya. Bayaran natin using Maya. Yes, luma pa yung QR code. Pero Maya na sila. Okay, Maya na. Hindi na pay Maya. Pero yan. So check natin. Baka sakali din ako na meron pa ibang mga One Piece na Grandista. Pero wala eh. Pero I highly recommend ito mga guys and my dudes, my girls. Grandista lines are really good kung nagko-collect kayo. Kung hindi naman kayo particular sa figure, sa posing, hindi siya action figure so just maliit lang na statue yung Grandista. So pero maganda yung mga poses na nire-recommend nila. So as you can see here, nagbabayad na ako using the QR code. Pinapakita na ni ate magkano ang babayaran. And let's go. Bayaran na natin to, ate. So, ito na. Total bill ko was 722 pesos. So, 722. Just press continue. And ayan, bayaran na natin. Sobrang easy. Send money using the Maya app. And syempre, hintayin natin yung one-time pin. Hindi ko muna papakita. And ayan, again, day 3, day 2, check nyo yung Hubite store. Pagpasok nyo pala sa entrance, nandun na sila. So go ahead and visit their store. It's got a lot of Nendoroids, a lot of anime figures, and chinek na lang ni ate yung reference. And balot mo na yan, te, ako nang bahala dyan. So thank you, Hubite, and thank you for accommodating me. And sana pag lumabas na yung ibang mga grandista na One Piece, alam nyo na gagawin. And thank you kay ate, very patient din si ate sa staff ni, So, ayan, thank you. So, okay na, balot na natin, let's go. Okay, pauwi na. Thank you, Maya. Woo! Enjoy. So, enjoy cashless shopping using your Maya app. Just download the Maya app today. Sign up, put some money on it, and you're good to go. You can download, you can play, you can buy whatever you want. You can play, you can buy games online also. Pero in this case, going to Cosplay Mania, Cosplay Matsuri 2024. Such a breeze, super easy bumili, and sobrang daming budol using your Maya app. So thank you, Maya, and they're just drop by their booth pala. Pagpasok nyo pa lang ng hall or ng F4, F3, nandun na sila. Just check them out.